we're going to give our honest review of this product. Sophia has suggested that we break it so that we can boil some and eat it as cooked ramens, yes? We're gonna be crummy. Here's your piece.
Thank you.
Don't take it yet. Here's your piece. Don't take it yet. Are we ready?
Yeah.
In 3, 2, 1. Look at the camera. Tell the developer of this product how you feel right now.
I mean, it's all right. I like it.
Was it what you expected?
No.
What did you think it was going to taste like?
I don't really know.
I could eat more of this.
Can I have
But-
a piece?
Should we give Dad a piece? Okay. Come here, Dad. You can come sit where I am and give your honest opinion. How do you like it?
Yeah, it's not bad. Because of the raspberry.
Mmm. We're live. I was supposed to be able to fit in here. Let's take a look at it. That raspberry layer is not really softening, but we'll give it a mix. Dad, you gonna get a fork? There's enough for everyone.
No, I'm good.
What do you mean you're good? Can you angle it up for a sec and then put it back down just so that you can see what's in the bowl? So, all right, here we go. Authentic thoughts on raspberry soup. Raspberry chocolate soup. Andrew? It broke him.
It's honestly not that bad.